Hello students, my UPSC class welcomes you, and today we are going to discuss this a very important blog, and already this blog posting just we have uploaded on our website. Now we are going to discuss the very important topic, how you need to just understand this topic. So first of all, you need to just see this is a news plan to raise the age of marriage for women to 21, and what happened, different laws need to be just amended. So what happens, sir? So for this total article just we have provided on our website www.myupscclass.com, you can just check there. And before checking or before reading that article, you need to just watch this complete video. This total article link also just I am providing in the video description. But before watching this video, you need to just confirm this topic should be understand, or you should understand this topic. After understanding, after watching this video, then you try to read from first point to last point, and you will realize which topics are going to be important for your pre-exam, which topics are important for your mains examination. So everything this video we are going to discuss. Why this in news, sir? Because of this age for girls are going to be also 21 for marriage. Now sir, this is like in news, and everything is important for your exam. So sir, very important point from this, which committee suggested or which task force suggested this 18 to 21 age. Sir, this name is very important. Jaya Jetli committee, and 10-member panel is headed by Jaya Jetli. So Jaya Jetli is going to be very important. So this panel is just like headed by Jaya Jetli. So this is Jaya Jetli committee or 10-member headed by this Jaya Jetli. So this is like a very important point. So what happened in 2020 budget speech, Nirmala Sitharaman is also given, like we are talking or we are just providing one special task force. They can just look to girl entering in motherhood. We need to just reduce this maternal mortality rate, because of in early age, if like marriage is there, pregnancy is also going to be there, and very soon just after like marriage, like lots of like mortality rates are there. Child mortality rate we need to just reduce. Also mother also just like lots of conditions or fatal conditions or like severe conditions also going to be there. So how we can improve, we can just try age from 18 to 21. So this is like they just suggested, and this committee suggested. So sir, this report or this committee just formed on June 6 2020, and in December 2020 they just provided this report to government of India. But in a recent season, they just started to publish it in our parliament, and they are just forming a proper law and act. But sir, what happened? If you just see the history, if you just see Hindu Marriage Act, if you see the Christian Marriage Act, everywhere, sir, the age for males are 21 and for females are 18 everywhere. But sir, only one law is there, personal law, Muslim Personal Law Shariat Application Act 1937 allows marriage if a boy or the girl have attained puberty. Means sir, it may be 15 or it may be 16 year. If they just attend this puberty period, they can just go for marriage. So this is not illegal. But sir, what happened, this is like 15 and 16, but government is also created specific laws. Specific laws means sir, if age is less than 18 of girl, then you are just violating this Child Marriage Act 2006. This is like valid for Hindu, Muslim or everywhere. But sir, Muslim community just saying according to our law this is legal, but government in Supreme Court as well as like in high courts, they given this single statement, some specific law you are just like violating, that's why this is illegal. Sometimes some government is telling yes, or like in high court some decisions also there in the favor of Muslims. What happened, they just given yes, this law is there, but their own law is telling about this 15 or 16 year age. So this is valid. So lots of contradiction between this, and every time just we have seen like different types of these types of issues are going to be there whenever just we publish or different types of law. So recently this year also just we have seen this triple talaq. And what happened, the case of this Sayara Banu versus Union of India, and the Supreme Court just given this decision, and they just provided this invalid of this Shariat law, and they just telling sir, this is not okay, you are going for triple talaq. Now sir, because of you are just like taking care about, we need to just take care about our public order, mortality and health. So under that sir, you are like violating our constitution, that's why this triple talaq is illegal. So this is like a Supreme Court decision. In same cases already just I given, like our Punjab and Haryana court given this case related one issue is there. So they just prefer Muslim law And sir, in case were there, Karnataka and Gujarat High Courts given this specific law. For example, sir, one 16-year-old girl just marrying with or like married to one 36-year-old person. So what happened? The government just given you are avoiding, you are like basically violating our child marriage act. That's why this is illegal. So sometimes this is like a contradictory topic. In future, every time this is like a criticized. So what happens, sir? We need to just increase our age from 18 to 21 for females. So we need to just amend every law, Hindu law, because of this also law. Sir, this Christian marriage act also need to be amended. Also, sir, Muslim law act need to be just amended. Everything we need to just amendment, and we need to put in place of 18 21 for female. So this is the main idea. But sir, the biggest issue, sir, this Muslim law, how they can just like this amendment. So already just after this basic statement, many Muslim organizations in Kerala have criticized the central move to hike the legal age of marriage for women from 18 to 21. And now, sir, in parliament, member of parliaments also just like talking about these types of things, and just they're telling if they just like putting this all personal laws are means, sir, Hindu marriage act or like this Muslim marriage act or different types of acts are there. So they, sir, like they're putting all personal laws are invalid or illegal. That's why our country is just moving towards uniform civil code in country. So different types of criticism is there. So these are like going to be very very important for your topic or for your exam. You need to just remember, sir, which topics which are the like important laws are there in our parliament or in our constitution, or special marriage acts also there, like our this child marriage act 2006 also there. So different types of issues related to your exam, they can just ask any type of question, but your understanding your topic is clear here. Now, sir, what is this personal law? So in 1937, this law, this Shariat, the Muslim Personal Law or Shariat Application Act was passed in 1937 with the aim of formulate an Islamic law code for Indian Muslim. The British who were at the point of, so at the time of British, sir, what happened? Government or British government want to like whenever just like any Indian culture is there. So if Islam is there, just create your own law. If Hindu is there, create your own law and follow your own customs and rules and regulation. So they just given this liberty, and same just running still like every time just we are following these laws, and according to that, sir, everyone just following their personal laws. So this is like important point you need to just remember. Finally, sir, this law can be amendment for or get amended for the all laws or not. Already just we have seen, we see in future if something is going to be there, we may see the high court, we may see in Supreme Court. So finally, sir, Supreme Court decision or high court decisions are going to be there, and then if Supreme Court just create this valid like 21 should be there, means the age of girl should be 21, then every personal law means, sir, Hindu, Muslim or your Christian or anything personal law need to be implemented this law. Like what happened recently, this triple talaq valid in Shariat or in Muslim act, but Supreme Court given decision this is not valid. Now, sir, this is illegal in India. And same thing is going to be there in future. If Supreme Court or High Court just provide this verdict, 21 is going to be there, then this is going to be valid. So this is like important points you need to just remember, guys. Everything from starting to last I just given here. Now what happened, I am providing video link in the description. Just go there and try to read from starting to last, and you will realize which is like what are the important topics for your exam. So this completes today's video. Definitely we are trying to publish every day these types of blog and videos for my all needful and financial weak student. So thank you, guys. If you like this video, just like and subscribe our channel. Every day just we publish this video. Thank you.